installing my line set cover over my line sets that connect my outdoor unit to my indoor unit. Today I'm showing you how to install perma covers, HVAC line set covers, and I just finished installing this solar powered air conditioner. So if you want to learn a little bit about the Signature Solar EG4 mini splits that you can power with solar or with AC power, I'm going to be talking about that in today's video. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad. Let's get started. This is the line set cover from Permacover that I chose to install over my line sets. And you can see the color is tan, and that will match the color of the metal that I have on my shed. So it's packaged up really nicely. I'm going to use my razor knife to cut through some of this plastic, get it unwrapped, and then we're going to look at the hardware kit that's included, and then I'm going to start the install. When you get your cover out of the box, you're going to find on the inside of the cover taped is a package with instructions and with a hardware kit. This comes with a 1/4 inch bit. It comes with a masonry bit. That way, if you're using a cover on a concrete exterior wall, concrete brick, you'll be able to pre-drill the holes you need to put the anchors inside those holes. And then we've got the metal screws, so we can actually use those metal screws to attach our cover to the metal siding of this shed. So I'm pretty excited about that. Everything I need to install the cover comes with the cover. So that's awesome. The reason I use perma covers is because they're metal covers. They last a lot longer than plastic covers. They're not as easily damaged, and they have residential series like this where we're using 26 gauge metal, but they also have a commercial and industrial series. So if you need a stronger material on your site, then they've got that available for you. Now, we've got 2 pieces, and then we've got 2 plates that are our covers for our top and our bottom. Now, I'm only going to be using one of these plates because I only need a top cover. I don't need a bottom cover. They also take and put a film on the cover just to keep it from getting scratched. So we're only going to be using one 5-foot section. They'll custom make whatever you need. You can actually use discount code Taddy5 to get 5% off of any of their products on their website. I encourage you to go check out Permacovers. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll put the link right here so you can go check that out. Also, they have tons of colors. They have tons of colors to choose from. They have tons of different materials like aluminum, copper, stainless steel, diamond plated, and several other different types of materials and colors. So we're going to figure out where we're going to install it. I think the best location is right here. And we're going to take a tape measure so that you know exactly how big this is. Look, 4 inches by 4 inches. I could actually take 2 line sets and put them in this same cover. So I am glad that we have a lot of room. So what do you think? Right here looks good, looks great. All right, let's go ahead and take and get the screws out and the 1/4 inch bit and put them in the cordless drill. This is all you're going to need is a cordless drill to install these covers. Let's go ahead and install this over the line sets. So we're going to attach this into our drill. We're going to use the 1.5 inch 1/4 inch screws to mount the cover to the wall. Then we're going to use our little 1/2 inch 1/4 inch zip screws to mount the cover plate. They've also got pop rivets available. So if you want to rivet this in, you don't want to see the head of this type of screw, you can use a pop rivet. We're going to take our 1/4 inch bit, slip it into our drill, and then take those 1/4 inch 1/2 inch screws, and we are going to go ahead and put our top cover on before I install this line set cover. Now, I'm not taking the film off there. I'll do that after I finish, but it may be better for you to go ahead and take that film off. Also, wear gloves while you're installing the cover. I would hate for you to get cut, and the metal can be pretty sharp. So if you run your hand across the edge the right way, you could probably cut yourself. So please be careful when you're installing the cover. All right, 3 screws for the top plate. Very easy to install the top plate. There it is. Now, put put the cover in place where it's going to go. That right there looks like it's going to work out really well. And then we've got enough screws that we could put 6 screws on each side. I'm probably only going to do 1, 2, 3. So I'll put one right here. All right. And then straighten it up where I want it. Get a level if you want it perfect. One there. And then one there. Now, let's go ahead and screw the other 3 screws in on the other side. Beautiful. If you need some roofing screws, you need to check out metalroofingscrews.com. You can also use the discount code Taddy5 to get 5% off. They have got an assortment of metal screws. They've got pipe boots. They've got flashing. There's all kinds of good products at metalroofingscrews.com. So one more screw here. Now that I got my line set cover installed, my line sets are protected and it looks professional. If you're installing air conditioners and running line sets on the exterior of a building and you want an American-made cover that's durable and made out of metal, check out PermaCover, and don't forget to use code Taddy5 for a 5% discount on your order. PermaCover has got it covered when it comes to line set covers. Now, I just installed this air conditioner. If you want some detail on this, I'm going to go over some detail. If you're looking for a solar powered mini split system or a solar powered air conditioner, then you'll know where to go for that. This right here is my 8-foot wide by 16-foot long shed, and I have a mini split, which you saw the outdoor unit for that mini split. The mini split is powered from these solar panels that I've got temporarily laying up against the shed. I have not decided what mounting means I'm going to use for those solar panels, and until I figure that out, they're just going to be sitting here up against the shed. So these are each 395 watt a piece, and I've got them running in series, and they're connected directly into that outdoor unit. That is a hybrid unit from Signature Solar. It can be installed with 115 volt AC power or with the PV power, the DC power, directly inside that outdoor unit. So I'll show you the connections, and then we're going to go inside and look at that wall mount air handler. If you're looking for a solar powered air conditioner, panels, anything solar, definitely go visit Signature Solar, link right here, and then link down there for the website. And you can use discount code Taddy50 to get $50 off your order. Let's go check out the connections for those panels into the outdoor unit. Here's where the PV wires are connected into these MC4 type connectors for the outdoor unit. And you can see right here it says 115 volt AC or DC, 90 to 380 volt. So pretty awesome. All right, let's go inside this nice, comfortable, cool shed. So nice. This shed is solar powered. I have got videos on the solar setup. If you're interested, I'll put those down, link in the description. Here's the indoor wall mount air handler. This is EG4 Electronics. Got the wireless remote controller, and it is nice and cool, set to about 21 degrees Celsius, so about 70 degrees in here, and it feels so good. Here's the rest of the panels I have. Once I figure out how to mount those, figure out the best method, then I'll be able to mount those. Now you can see that right there is my solar tracker. I got that from EcoWorthy, and if you want one of those, that way you can maximize the power that your solar panels are able to absorb daily, then you can check out EcoWorthy, and you can actually use Taddy30 for a $30 discount. I'll put that in the link in the description because I know it's hard to remember all of that, but sun's right there. Panels are facing the sun. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that if you need a line set cover, you go check out PermaCover. If you need a solar tracker, you check out EcoWorthy. You need anything else solar, you check out Signature Solar. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.